Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returnee, but if you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Chantel. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. Without wasting much of your time, let's just begin. Okay guys, today's video is all about what I eat in a day. I'm just going to give you like a background of what this is about. I have always been on a weight loss journey, but recently, because it was my birthday like a few weeks ago, so prior to that, like a week prior to that and a week after my birthday, I was not healthy at all, so I decided to jump back on the bandwagon of healthy living, hence this video. So I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day in terms of healthy food. I just came back from working out and I did a total distance of 5.94 kilometers, almost 6 kilometers. Ideally I do like 8 kilometers every morning, but today was a different day for me and I wasn't even having it. Like, I did not have the strength, but I know that I'll do better as the day progresses. I also came back home and I did squats and jump squats and a bit of lunges. I think I'm good to go for the day. I'm fine. And yeah, the first thing I like to do when I come back from workout is to drink water, but today I'm going to be amping it up and I will be adding vinegar in my water. This apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is the main one when it comes to weight loss. You guys, vinegar has a lot of properties, a lot of good things it does for our bodies, like aiding digestion. It helps in weight loss, it boosts your metabolism and a bunch of other things. You can google that out. So what I like to do on days when I have vinegar, I get warm water. In this cup here I have warm water. I decided to do this outside because inside is quite dark and there's no light at the moment. So I have a mug of warm water here, and this is my apple cider with the mother like I showed you earlier on, and this is the unpasteurized one, Bragg. They have other brands with this sort of vinegar, but I prefer the Bragg one. I got this at a supermarket called Everyday for, it's not even showing, but I got it for 4,600. This is a new one. I'm just going to open it. This is just to act as a base for everything I'm going to have today. So I just like to take this, then shower, wait for a few minutes and have my green tea. That's what I have for breakfast. On days when I'm really hungry, I can take oats. I have a vlog where I showed you how I make my oats. I'll leave it in the cards. Because I do intermittent fasting, I don't have breakfast. If I must take anything in the morning, it has to be liquid and it has to range from just water and at most green tea with no artificial sugar added. So I'm just taking this now, and like I said, I'm going to go have my bath, chill for a few minutes and then take my green tea and wait till afternoon. My IF ends between 2 and 3. Yesterday I ended at, I stopped eating around 6, so my IF should end around 12, 1ish thereabout, but I'll keep you guys posted. You guys, if you're taking vinegar, please always dilute it in water. Do not drink it alone because it is very corrosive and it is not good for your enamel, that is your teeth. Okay, I'll see you later. I'm done taking a shower. You guys ignore my face. I decided to do my scrub. I scrubbed my whole body, my face, and I just used a toner on my face now and decided to go in with a sheet mask. It's been so long since I used one. I just want to use one stone and kill two birds. Do this and also have my breakfast. My tea is already brewing here. What I normally do for green tea is put 2 bags inside here to steep for 2 days. So this is my second time taking this and I think it will finish after this. Guys, this is the green tea I'm currently using. It's called Evergreen. Yeah, it's focused. And it's the biogenic green tea. This one is pure. It has no extra additive inside like lemon or cranberry or anything, and it is also decaf. I don't take any green tea that is not decaf. Please focus on this, not on my face. I don't take any green tea that is not decaf because I react to caffeine. You guys, can you see the amazing color? There's no sugar inside, there's no honey, no sweetener of any kind. It's just pure green tea. And you guys, green tea has a lot of benefits for the body. I'll try to list some on the screen, and you can also research more in depth. And yeah. Hey guys, so it's time for lunch and I'm about to prepare plantain porridge. Let me show you what I'm working with. So this is the plantain already in the pot, about to cook, and yeah, it doesn't take time. And this is also very healthy. It is rich in irons and a lot of other nutrients. This is pepper and onions. This is a mix of tomato and pepper. I'm not using this one actually. This is scent leaf, and this is ugu green. No, not green, ugu leaf. I don't know the English word for it. Inside here I have my already seasoned gizzard. I got gizzard a few days ago, and I'm going to be putting it inside the plantain porridge. I'm also using dry fish, not this one, but I think, where did I keep that dry fish? Okay, yeah, this is the dry fish I will be using. So I'll just cut this up and throw inside. About to dig in water. It's 2:40 p.m. right now, and this is lunch. Yum, yum, yum. Hey y'all, just ignore this my head tie. You guys, I can remember when I went for desert safari, I was struggling to get this tie. Like, me and my friend, someone I met though, Nicole, if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture. Was it on my stories? Oh, I can't remember, but yeah, we're struggling to tie this thing for the longest time, and it did not work. But see me now, see today. I said, let me cover my hair and come downstairs to make dinner. Sorry, let me turn on the light. And it just worked immediately. You guys, this life, no, balance at all. This life, no balance. Left to me, let me even just tell you, left to me, yeah, I don't do dinner. I can't remember the last time I stayed and made dinner and eat. Most times I eat late lunch like today, and I just let it go. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make dinner, and I'm going to make it something really light and very healthy as well. I'll be making chicken pepper soup. I already got chicken the other day. I don't know what they call it, but those is it, I wanted to say local ones, not local, old layer. Yes, old layer, those strong ones. It's really good for pepper soup. So I'm going to make sharp pepper soup now. Everything is already blended. Remember the onions and pepper from the unripe plantain porridge? I still have some. I have, what else? It's just to boil the meat, put everything. I still have my chown leaves, that's my scent leaf. Throw it inside, bam, I'm out of here. So let me just make dinner now, and I will catch you guys later. You guys, so I blended this and put in the pepper soup. I don't know what it's called, but my mom bought it and it's for pepper soup. So if you know what it's called, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to know what it is, but I don't, and my mom is not here to tell me, so I just need you all to tell me what it is. I'm trying to focus and see what it looks like. And it gave the pepper soup a very nice aroma. Like, it sounds so good, guys. I wish you were here to perceive it, but yeah, I just remembered and I decided to show you. I know I didn't show you when I was putting my ingredients, but I just mixed it with the chicken, pepper, Maggi, and every other thing. So let me know what the name is, so if I go to the market, I can request for it. This is what it looks like in its whole state. This is din and I used no oil. There's no oil whatsoever in this. All I put was the Maggi, salt, onions, pepper, and my chicken. So this is very healthy and I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait. That's it with today's video. It is 6:38. I always forget to reduce the light on my phone before showing you the time. But yeah, it's 6:38 p.m. and I'm about to have that pepper soup and call it a day. I'm going to also have about 2 bottles of water so I don't get hungry. Yeah, that is what I eat in a day, or an example of what I eat in a day, because obviously I don't eat this every day. An example of what I eat in a day in terms of healthy food and losing weight, since I told you I'm back on my healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'm just looking at my plate of pepper soup here. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.